Okay, today I will teach you how to collect the data and see the error code. What you mean? What meaning? Okay, example. This room card is 226. Now this room number is not 226, is 110. So now is you try to open. You see, red color cannot open. You call me, I don't know what happened one. So next step you want to do what? Bring this one. We call sector. So we need to collect data. Function 1 time, 2 time. R. Okay? So run. You see? Collect data. So you put here. Wait. Wait until 16. Wait until 16. Sorry, wait only. Wait. Okay, wait you see now wait. Now room number 110. So we press button number 3. Card number error. This one is the error code. So next time the door cannot open, right? Please do this step first. Collect data, see the door lock. Why cannot open the door? You can snap the error code to me to see, and I will tell you the hardware problem or the need to reprogram the data again. Okay, thank you.